Today I have a tutorial to show how to extract an unwanted area in your timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro using an in-out extract method. So the first thing I do is, I have an example here in my timeline that's pretty good. So I just want to isolate and remove that section. So what I do is I just play. I use the spacebar to play.
But you need to pick every time you want to realign the key object, you need to reselect align key object.
So I could see that dip and another dip. So the way I set my in out is using the I key. I set my in and out. I press the O key, set my out. So, and you can see, I'll just play this one more time. You can see how the audio bar dips in a pause and then dips again, and that's where I set my in out usually. And the other thing you can do is to more exactly position is I'll hold down the shift key and drag until I see that arrow, and then just using the arrow keys I can tweak it. I can go right or left, and while I look at the soundbar, watching it dip, and then see it's going up. So wait till it dips down, then I would set my out right there. And then once you're satisfied with where your in-out positions are, I just hit the apostrophe key, or also you could use this icon here right above the timeline. It's extract. So I'm just going to press my apostrophe key and it removes that area. You could use the lift key, for example. I'll show you. But that will leave a space and it won't edit out the sound. It just lifts that one area. So you don't want that. I want to close up my timeline, hit the extract key. And another thing I want to point out is just to make sure that all your other layers except the ones in question are locked, so that you don't get an offset in your other elements. For example, I'll unlock this, which is my closer. This is my closer here. So if I do my extract right here, you can see that offset that because this area wasn't locked. So I don't want to do that. I'm going to lock this, hit extract, and it removes it. And then I can just unlock and reposition my other elements accordingly. So I hope that's helpful. Please like if you learned something. Thank you for watching.